All right, guys, I am back. I have gone ahead and just pulled my card, the new cards that I got. I have got the stickers also that are, or the toppers rather, because they don't have adhesive on them, that I got from my today's Anna Griffin order. I also pulled, just in case, the Bouquet stickers from last week's HSN haul. I have stacked the in my favor. I've got already my, what are these called? Foamies. I've got Big Mama here. I'm going to see if I can pull off a 5-minute card. So I have my handy dandy the phone I used to use, or I have been using to video, but right now I'm using my regular, my normal Samsung. But I'm going to set the timer here, and let's see if the MaddScrapper is capable of doing a 5-minute card. I mean, I'm going to cheat, but and I've stacked at least a little bit in my favor by having all my supplies in front of me. So let's see if she can do it. Okay, there's nothing up my sleeve, so see, we have to check. I'm like the dealer there. No hidden cards or anything. But let's see what we can do. So let's hit the timer. Let's hit start. Okay. Let's see if I can get, it'll take me 3 minutes just to get the box open. And I'm really going to cheat because I'm just going to go ahead and use this card because I love it. So we are going to grab it. And now we're going to go through my toppers and see which one I want to use. My gosh, this one would look, but I'm trying to find for, I don't know. I'm not feeling that one yet. So here, this is where I'm going to burn, 4 minutes because I want to use one that's going to be, well, no. I'm going to know when I see it. I'm actually leaning towards, although that one would work. I'm trying to use one that hopefully I can use that won't cover, or cover the flowers minimally. Because all of these really, really work, but I'm trying, no. No. Now For My Friend has possibilities, except look how much of it covers. These are some of the ones I would use with the ones that have less. These little with the square ones. So let me see. Can I find something long and narrow for my sister? I gotta make one for my sister, so I'm gonna have to pull some of the stuff. You're upside down. That doesn't help. Be My Valentine. But look at it. It covers up the whole card. No. Ooh. Now this has possibilities. Wow, this is a contender. So I'm going to set the matching one aside because I try to keep them together if I don't use it. This one's upside down. For my mom, no. To My Friend. Oh, and this one has the red. I think I've got it. See, this is why I kept them together. So I'm going to keep this one aside. But unless I find something else, I think For My Friend might be it. And I must have turned these around when I was doing it. Be Mine is another, that one's another nice contender. But again, it covers so much of the card in this, and it's not what I want to do. So we'll see. No. No. I'm like, are you guys, is this a nail biter for you guys? Ooh, that one. But I think I'd like this one with the ones that are more delicate. I like this one too. So that one, no, that one doesn't match. Cupid also takes up a lot of, I like Cupid almost with, this is perfect for the guy one. Ooh, that might be one for the peanut gallery. So, okay, I think I've got it. So now I am going to definitively, this is the one I'm going to use, that one, excuse me, To My Friend. Take it back. And now, okay, I have this one set aside, so we'll put this over here. So we'll set this aside. Now what I got to do is foam it down up. So now I'm going to change my mind. Move my keyboard and grab the tape. Oh, ow. That was my knee. That was not pretty. I'm going to grab my foam tape because this will go faster. I will be able to, I don't know if I can put a double layer on here. We're going to see. But we are going to, will 2 fit? No, it looks like 1. And I think that will be, I think it's going to be okay. Down the center. Oh my goodness. Can I coordinate this? Okay. We'll put that there. And then we're going to go about right here-ish. And we'll cut that right there. Just so that and then I can still snip a little guy, I think right here. And it just barely fit. And then I think, we'll see, can I fit, will it fit this way? Now we're just going to cut, I still have time. So if I can snip it, or maybe I can, I don't know. I got to hurry it up here. Snip that. Okay, let's lift off our tape. Let's go. Ah! It ain't gonna happen. She cannot do a card in 5 minutes. Darn. But it was a nice try. But let's see how fast I can do it. Let's see, because I actually have the timer. I think I hadn't spent so much time picking it, but I wanted to do it in real time and not cheat by having it all pre-selected. That would have been cheating. So I'm not going to cheat, you guys. So, I mean, and I want to do this as well. Oh, are you clogged? Are you really? You are. Yeah, I have 30 seconds left. It's not happening. Especially not. So I must, oh yeah, much better. So we will add just glue on here just so that I can squidge it so I can stress a little bit less. And, you know, I'm not going to take my time. We are going to try to get this done quickly anyway, just because. I'm going to put the pin down here just so that it doesn't reclog. We're going to put this down and just commit. I could go a little off center, but no, we're just going to go dead center, or as close to, you know, kind of see. I think that's it's gonna work. You still see enough on the edges. And I have that. I mean, right now, literally, we could call it good. And whoever is the recipient of this card ultimately would be happy. But let's see what I can coordinate out of this. Let's make things really worse and see if I can just add a little bit more Anna Griffin dimension. And the only easy way of doing this is Horror of Horrors, is just open this up. Oh my gosh, this one is kind of dinged up, and see if I can find just a little sprig. I mean, I almost want to put a heart, but there's no good place to put one of these hearts. So, you know, or do I want to go with the... I could put the Cupid right there, so that would work. That's a possibility. Or no, I'm not feeling that. No. There's a part of me that wants to add, but the problem is, where do I put it? Although I think that Cupid might be it. Or, no, that's not going to work, because, again, where do I hang it? I'm covering one of the roses, but except of the way he's facing, and don't they both face the same direction. It's almost like it doesn't feel right to be sticking out. I could do something like this, but that's not the one to do it with. And I don't think this one is the one to do it with either. Nope, not feeling that either. Don't you hate it when you're just not? Or I could go this way. I could go with the crown, and it would look great if I could find the other one and do it on both ends, but then you lose all of that beautiful gold foiling. See, this is the thing that Anna does to us. She makes us crazy, and some of us don't need the help. We are already, you know, cray-cray all by ourselves. Oh, there's a bunch of these, so that's good to know that I do have. This might work. I'm still, you know, it's still, even though he's looking away, I still am feeling putting the Cupid. I think the Cupid is going to be the one, because I don't see anything else that makes me happy. Who do I have here? Another Cupid that's looking away. Really? Seriously? Could we not have them? Usually when she gives us this stuff, they're directional. 2 in one direction, 2 in the other. This was not the case here, and I'm just not feeling right now anything else in here. And you guys might have seen about 17 other possibilities that spoke to you. I'm just not seeing it. We have that again. And sometimes it's, you know, although, let's see, how about that little sprig? A little sprig of dimension, that, it's maybe, although I think I'm still hung up on the Cupid, because I'm not seeing anything else here that makes me happy. So I think we're just going to go with the Cupid, or actually, who's the guy, the wing guy? And I don't know, are these, I don't know if this one, she can kind of be tricky, and it could be a sticker. But I don't think so. So I'm going to treat it as not a sticker. And now where do I want to put it? I mean, it would have been perfect, I think, here. But then I cover the ribbon. See, now I wished I'd gone closer to the edge. But, so no, he's just going to go right here. That is my final decision. Especially because I'm going to use wet glue to put them down. Because once I do that, although I could, you know, just in case I really do change my mind. Let's, you know, I have Big Mama here after all. So I am positive that, yeah, I can tape this up really, really nicely. I'll put one down here. And that gives me the option of, if I'm really unhappy, of changing my mind off camera. So you guys don't have to see that process. And there, we'll put him down right there. And quite frankly, there is, although there's just, I want to, there's, you know, there's something, the problem is I don't want to cover flower, you know, the flowers up there, that flower there, we're almost not using any of the background. And that makes me sad. That doesn't work. It sticks out. This one might work. And it won't stick out, and I can overlap it. And there you go. I think that will be what I do. And I've covered most of the flowers. See? See? This is what makes me nutsoid. And I'm already pretty cray-cray. You know, I'm already, you know, I am the MaddScrapper. So, you know, I have to live up to that reputation. But I love her stuff, but it's like I just don't always have the heart to cover up this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful background paper. But, and there we go. So there you have it. That is the quickie, okay, 13-minute card. So you can see that this can go very, very quickly if you don't obsess over it. But there's your one. Here's card number 1 for 14 in 14, except I have to do 2. So to make up for not having done it today, because these are all, I'm doing them today, but you'll see them tomorrow. But hopefully you enjoyed this. So if you did, then by all means, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment. If you want to see more of this complete insanity, I don't know why, but you would, then go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell, because I will always be back here doing more, you know, with more of my antics. And always, guys, remember, you know the drill, okay? We are all a little mad here in this crafting corner of madness. So come and scrap the madness with me, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.